What's going on? Brian Maxwell here. Hey, and if you're getting ready to start your day, you're getting ready to roll into your dealership, getting ready to get your day started, the only thing I want to say to you is just remember this one thing, that as you're going into your dealership, make sure that you realize that if you had a vision of ever wanting to own your own business, if you had a vision of wanting to make more money than you had made before working a typical 9 to 5, if you really want to have the opportunity to be able to experience a little more fun and excitement more so in your life when you break away and when you take vacation, begin to take what you do at your store a lot more serious. Think about this. McDonald's, Burger King, these are Coca-Cola, these are three of the biggest companies known around the world. And kids 2 years old know their name. If we took their names off the logo, everybody would know who they are. But yet, they're in front of you on your TV and on your radio 365 days a year. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, on your TV, on your radio, every hour on the hour. Now, these companies are world known. Everybody knows them. Kids know who they are, but yet they know that they need to stay in front of people. Why? Because with all due respect, the general public has ADD. With so many things going on in our life, it's difficult for them to remember that you work at your dealership, that you offer a particular brand. Even family members and friends that we told what we do. So make sure you remember, as you go in there, do everything you can to make sure that you stay in front of as many people as you can. When it comes to prospecting, a lot of stores still say, make your dials. Well, think about it like this. Yeah, you can make the phone call, but what about if you look that person up on Facebook and send them a message? On LinkedIn, on Instagram, or whatever. The name of the game is about touching somebody and about doing things that other people that they may interact with on the sales side won't. So if they may have went to other stores and you know you don't feel like doing that, you don't want to send them a private message, you don't even want to take those extra steps. Well, if you don't feel like doing it, the other person that they spoke to at the other store doesn't feel like doing it either. And what makes a winner and what makes a loser? The winner is willing to do what the loser is not, in spite of not wanting to do it themselves. But they do it because they know that they should do it and that it's the right thing to do. So as you go in there today, think positive, be motivated. Don't let a manager that might be living a horrible life drag you down. Don't let another sales rep who might be pissed that they're older and life didn't go the way they wanted it to go drag you down. Don't let somebody else who may be living a miserable life and don't want to be there drag you down. If you love your family and you love yourself, damn it, when you go in there, do everything you can to do more than fill your space. And watch what'll happen. I know what it was like. I've been on that floor. And I sold my ass off and I sold my way out. Now I get a chance to travel all around the country, enjoy different exotic places, and get a chance to train and help other people be able to sell their way out and into other things. So you can do it too. So I'm Brian Maxwell. Make sure, if you're not already subscribe. Like the video. Post a comment. If you have something that you need some help with, post a comment. Everybody that's one of my subscribers will tell you, I reply to every comment. So please, but I do my best to reply to every comment in a timely manner. So do what you can. Do more than fill your space. Think like a champion. Be a champion. And you'll get the results of a champion. I'm Brian Maxwell. And I look forward to seeing you at the dealership. Over and out.